Hey guys, happy Wednesday. Hope everybody's doing really well out there today. Today would normally be a tutorial day of some variety, but we're not doing one of those. We're actually going to be doing an announcement of a giveaway. Back in, I think, September of last year, I worked with CanaKit. They sent me a 4 gig Raspberry Pi 4. I did a review on it, kind of unboxing and first impressions, and it did pretty well. So what we're actually going to do is we're going to do a giveaway of a Raspberry Pi 4, but it's going to be the 8 gig model. Now, they actually already sent me one. I'm going to be doing a video on this here very soon, but I worked something out with them where they're going to be sponsoring a giveaway for the channel hitting 15,000 subscribers. Now, right now we're at about 14,850, give or take. So we've got about 150 subs to go before we hit that 15,000 mark. So what we're going to do is I'm going to start the giveaway on June 25th. That's tomorrow. And it's going to go for 1 week or until I hit 15,000 subscribers, whichever is longer. So if I hit 15,000 subscribers tomorrow, it's still gonna go until July 2nd. If I don't hit the 15,000 mark by July 2nd, it will go until I hit 15,000. So again, whichever of those two is longer. The caveat to this is it is only United States and Canada. CanaKit is in Canada, and of course I'm here in the United States. Just for logistical purposes and shipping, with everything going on right now, we're only doing North America. So again, that's Canada and the United States. You guys are the only ones who can enter this. Anybody else who enters from outside those regions, your entries will be deleted. So anyway, we're giving away the full kit. Again, this is a Raspberry Pi 4 8 gig kit, and there will be a link in the description for the contest, and it will have the full giveaway details there as far as what you're going to get. Again, it is the full kit. It's basically everything you need to do, or everything you need in order to get up and running using a Raspberry Pi 4. Definitely check the link check the description for the link to get all of the details on the giveaway, and good luck to everybody who enters. And I'm going to go ahead and wrap things up here. So as always, thanks for your time. I always appreciate your support, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video.